I was literally just thinking that. Okay, well, I don't know how long the stream's gonna be because I don't know if you can hear in the background, but my parents are playing music really freaking loudly, so I have to deal with that. But I'm tired as well, like really freaking tired. Like out of nowhere, I just got super freaking tired. So I want to finish this stupid thing, get it working, because this will be good practice. Because I gotta finish that client's VTuber avatar. So I gotta remember why none of this is working. Because the hat is like pure black. I have no idea why. Pure black. That's probably on me, but I don't know why. Oh, you know what? Oh my god, it was because I had it set to cycles only. God damn it. And here I thought I was crazy. And I guess Prime is gonna stream after 2, right? Yes? No? Here, I'll link it. He's not on YouTube though. He's on the other one, the evil one. The slightly more evil one, I should say. Probably sooner than later. I'm just really tired tonight, and I just kind of want to go to sleep. Uh-oh. Wi-Fi is cutting out again. God damn it. Here, I'll paste their Twitch in here. Go ahead, follow them. And your model is getting the what? The hat and goggles. It's just a, but you think this is my main one, but this is just a placeholder for until I feel like doing the other, making the other model a model. I still don't know what RX is. Okay, so that's right. Why is it? Do I need to make it gray? Oh wait, this isn't the. I'm stupid. Like that. I really don't like the M tune in for that this add-on adds. It's very confusing, but what are you gonna do? Here's what I'm curious on. What the heck is that? God damn it. What is that? Oh, that's that? That's not that. Give me a break. Yeah, see? See? Not that. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that's a start. Now, I don't know what changed here, but I don't think it's supposed to look like that. And this is the same model as before that I don't know. They changed something in this add-on and I don't like it. Maybe if I do that. Oh yeah, that fixed it. Holy crap, that fixed it. Okay. Plugging into the other one solves all your problems. Alright, let's fix this screen here, because for some reason that's not rendering correctly. So there's the old emission texture, so we'll just replace these. Replace this. There we go. That's solved. I think I got it all. Now for the next problem. Is the old armature for some reason is causing errors in the add-on. I don't know why. I just updated the add-on a couple of days ago. If I can freaking find it. Where are you? There it is. And if I try to validate it, ignoring these, no, never mind. Need text image for input. Yeah, I need to bake those as well. Great. I hate baking images. But that's something I can deal with after. Hold on. These don't look unwrapped properly. I mean, none of them do, but I'm trying. Okay, so what do I need to do first? So first of all, if I show this, for some reason all of these are red. I don't know what that means when it's red. I actually don't know what that means when it's red, so it means it's not finding that bone, but then again, it's not showing anything. So I don't know. It's been since you last updated it. Years? How long did you rock Pop! OS before switching to Endeavor? A year ago, I think. It's been a while. It's been a really long while, and I am glad to have switched because Pop! OS was just dying on me. It was not a fun experience when the audio was just breaking every time I rebooted. So yeah, I'm really glad that I switched. Alright, well, there's only one thing to do here, I think. I think that's just to start over. Grab a new armature and just start over. That's just me, though. I think that's a good idea, though. And then hopefully... What are these vertex groups? Oh, okay. Okay, they're vertex properly. I was freaking out for a second, like they weren't... Hold on, let's go to weight paint. Oh, I can't look at all of them. Okay, well, I'm just gonna assume... No, wait, hold on. I'm going to bring back in the old one. So that's the old one. I notice Arch has good audio configuration. I just had installed some... Yeah, it's got the best, in my opinion. I've never had any trouble with Arch audio. Closest problem I've had is just getting Discord to play nice with other audio inputs. But that's more on Discord and Electron, and Discord being a hard ass. I think there's an alternate version of Discord that would work better. What is the matter with this armature? So something about this armature is making this mad. And for some reason, it doesn't detect it, which doesn't make sense to me. And I would like to avoid just completely deleting this armature because that would be a pain in the butt. So why can't it detect this? Clearly it's detecting head bone, but it doesn't detect upper arm bone? Failed to find. That's weird. That's really, really weird. I'm sorry if about Discord, by the way. So you can tell I'm really tired because I forgot to put stupid Discord in streamer mode. There we go. Okay, so what's the problem here? I'm still trying to figure out what the hell is going on with this VR, or this, isn't there supposed to be a place to select the armature that you wish to use? But it's not here. I have no idea why it's doing this. I mean, it would be detecting itself, so, because this is a property of itself. Okay, I don't know. I don't know. But, what the hell? We're going to just have to start from scratch with a brand new armature, which I really don't want to do, but, what the hell? I didn't do that. Why did it do that? Okay, whatever. Okay, butterfly mode. Let's take a look at our old armature and question its validity on why it's being dumb. I can very easily... It's already auto-assigned. What the hell? Clearly it knows what it's doing with this one. I don't understand why it hates the other one. I don't remember even making that one, so... I'm going to do the bare minimum because I don't really need to do too much to get this to work. So I'm not going to even bother with hands at the moment because I don't need hands yet. I don't even... I mean, by the time I'm going to be using hands, I'll probably be using a different model. This eye goes away, which is why I'm totally incidentally deleting the wrong bone. This eye goes where the pupil of that lens is. Which is perfectly off-center to its mesh, because the mesh is weird looking. No? Maybe not. I don't know. Then gotta move this so that's nice in the middle. Then I wanted to have the hat on a jiggle bone, so we'll do hat.jiggle. Same with the brain. The brain had its own set of jiggle bones, as you can see from the other armature. Probably copy those. I think I can, actually. Oops. Keep getting that same freaking error from rhubarb, which I have not used in quite a while. What the heck? Why did it do that? I'm trying to copy these bones. Copy one selected objects. That's weird. Okay. I guess that's not how that works. Why would that not be how it works? Whatever. Okay, never mind then. I'll just have to do a new one. I don't remember how I did the brain jiggle. I remember having a pain in the ass. I remember it being a pain in the ass. That's what I remember. Hopefully it won't be a pain in the ass this time. Oh, that's right, because I had another one just for the liquid slosh. That was also a pain in the ass. It was all a pain in the ass. And I don't even know what this is. Are you going to change the brain fluid to match Endeavor's color scheme? I could. Wait, could I? I guess I could. That was also a pain in the ass too, by the way. Just getting it to be transparent, but I could. Get this. Damn it. I don't even remember what I changed. This. I changed this. Alright. Where is this file? That's the real question. That's a good question. I actually don't know where this file is. Did I pack it? Maybe. But I wouldn't know. Here it is. Honestly, no harm in that. Oh wow, this is really low resolution. This is only like... Is this 16 by 16? Was this a Minecraft texture? I wouldn't doubt that. I'm just gonna make it purple. Because that's kind of what... That's kind of what it is. I say that, but it's really not. But it's blue and then red, but then with purple in the middle. But I'm not going to go into that much detail. Doesn't really matter all that much because the you can barely see the liquid anyway when it's actually rendered in VPupper. Which I will complain about to everyone. Yeah, it's a pretty purple looking OS, I'd say. Call it Purple OS. That's what they should do. This is I added this before. I hope that looks fine. I have to actually update the pixel art, which I had lost the pixel art. Luckily, my Twitter account, which I didn't even realize, has that as the profile picture. Alright, now, here's the question. Can I avoid as much rigging as possible by renaming all of the bits? So chest bone is now chest. Root bone is probably now root. Right? Yeah. It's never a good idea to have the root rigged to anything, but I'm going nuts. There we go. So let's see. Did that work? Yes, it did. Okay. Robots are really easy to rig, so it's not a huge deal. But I gotta do every one of them. You know what? I could just join all of these together. I think I will, actually. I'll join them all together. in one big robot bit thing. Very cheaply put together robot. And that'll make it a little bit easier to rig, I guess. Kind of, not really all that much. Oh, I didn't even know that these were separate. That sucks. Okay, there we go. That should make this a little bit easier to rig. Or re-rig, I guess you would say. Except for the fact that now this is chest and chest bone. Great, okay. Root. Ah, crap. How did you come up with the initial design? So I had made this weird chair model a long time ago for some random funny animation on my personal channel, and I just started with that. I took the chair part off the chair, and I just started building up. And when I first started, it was just this, the screen body, the camera head, the chair body, no brain, and one arm with a cup holder kind of thing. And so I just kind of just iterated on that until I got a robot with a cup holder. All right, so I'm going to have to run a script to combine two root and chest and root bone, which is going to be a pain in the butt. Okay, let's go ahead. We'll open up our script here if I can find it. I'll have to show the other video with the robot's first appearance as a drinks waiter. Projects. No, it's not under projects. Home. Coding projects. Python. Blender scripts. Vertex group merger. There we go. So we'll do root.old. And root bone. And then we merge, and then it creates this, and then that's our root. So we do the same thing. Chest.old. This should be a thing that they just added into Blender. I don't know why they haven't done that yet. Chest bone. Execute, and now we have chest. There, problem solved. So that should be that. There. All right, what's next? Okay, we have to go through one by one all of these. I'm not going to bother with the fingers, but I'm going to take a quick BRB. So just a sec. Oh, I'm back. It is sweltering in here. Sweltering. Just, ugh. Doesn't help that my parents are playing loud music, so I really hope that I'm not going to get copyright strike just because they're playing their knockoff music. Anyway. Okay, we're going to go through each of these and change them. We can get rid of this bone, and this bone. Hips, spine. Get rid of that. I'm just gonna assume what they all are because I have absolutely no idea what they are. Yeah, I have absolutely no idea what they all are. Head. What is it? I.R. Oh, great. Okay. I.R. No, that's I.L. What am I doing? Oh boy. Okay. This could be streamlined a lot more, but could I do this? I'm thinking maybe I could just whip up a really quick script to do all this. Hmm. Maybe. No, I'm not gonna do that. Shoulder dot L. I don't know what it is. What are you called, you bastard? Upper underscore arm R. Okay. Frankly, I don't even think it matters. Uh, what it's named as long as it works with the VRM format. Left hand bone. L. I'm not gonna bother with these. I'm just not gonna bother. There's too many of them. There's way too many of these. And I'm not even gonna bother with it anyway, so I'm just gonna, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna delete all of the finger related armature bits. There we go. Frankly, I don't even think the leg bones matter. Right leg bone, right foot, right toe. It doesn't matter because it's all just chucked under the chest bone. Okay, I think that's actually all I need. Right? I just realized that I deleted the... oh, for God's sakes, I deleted the other arm. Shoulder, upper arm. Okay. So many fingers. Why must we have so many fingers? Okay, where's the... now? Okay, now where's the right arm? Okay, upper arm. Okay, there it is. Okay. Nope, nope. Didn't mean to do that. I don't even think anyone can see this, can they? Can they even read what I'm trying to write here? Because I think the resolution's pretty freaking low on that. I don't know what they were smoking when they, I just did it again, didn't I? Where... okay, let me just name them because I'm not going to be able to find these. I'm way too tired to, There's the leg. Distal, 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 distal. Where the hell did it go? Am I? Yeah, I didn't think you could. Hold on. Because even I need to zoom in for myself. Where the hell did... Where did it go? Right upper arm? Oh, there it is. Okay. Does that help, by the way? I can't read what you're saying, though, but now you can read what I'm suffering. Left index distal. No. No, what the hell? Okay, left upper arm. So, right upper arm. Okay, where's the lower arm? I must be going crazy or something, because... Okay, there we go. Alright, let's get this right. So we don't delete these again. There we go. Now there's no way I'm going to accidentally delete these. And I just accidentally deleted something. I really wish that they would just let me select a group of these and then delete them. I don't know what they were smoking when they thought that was a good idea. Thankfully, Blender is open source, so I'm sure there's a GitHub repo I can complain on, as I tend to do. It's a community effort, I'm telling you. I'm not being a bad person by complaining about how bad people are coding. I'm just reading what you're saying, sorry. Ugh, there's so many! Okay, I don't need that, I don't need that. Okay, I can delete all of these. Like, all of this can be just deleted. There. Problem gone. Alright. Now, if I played my cards correctly... Yes, thank God. This should be perfectly rigged, as it was before. Alright, that's good. Now, what I need to know is, what did I name these fucking things? Springbone Juice? That's a good name. What the hell? Wait, why didn't it copy the name? I'm just hitting Control C a shit ton of times because it should be pasting. I hope that you're grateful that you can't hear this nonsense going on behind me. Maybe you aren't. Maybe you can hear it. I don't know. Wait, what did I name that? Gay brain. Okay. Oh, I guess that was the bottom part of the brain that I named it that. We all have a little bit of gay brain inside us. Alright, let's see if this is working right. It is not. And that is because... And that is because... And that is because... Oh, that's why. That's because of this. That should work? Yeah. Seems about right. And then this controls the slosh, but the slosh is not slosh, which is very not nosh. There we go. There's the slosh. It probably won't be very obvious, but it's a little bit of something. Alright, now I have to do is copy all of the shit from the old stuff to the new stuff. So the blend shapes are, oh god. Oh lord. That's a lot. That's quite a bit. Do I have the energy for it? Let's find out. Actually, let's not use this. Let's use the other one. There's like two places you can do this in. Not here. Blend shape properties. So this should give me info here on what? I actually can't see it moving. What the heck? Turn off that. I can't see it moving. Did it? Because if I have the old armature selected and I have it on this, I should be able to see it morphing this, but it doesn't seem to be bound. Okay, then I don't care. This is useless. I'll just have to do it myself. Oh, wait, I didn't do this. So this should be... Oh, God. Delete all groups. Hat.jiggle. Add hat.jiggle. There we go. Then I can probably just join it. Nope, nope, nope. Wait, I forgot. Gotta apply the subdivision modifier. Then I can join it to the rest. And that should do it, I think. I didn't actually check the head, but I'm fairly certain the head is going to work. Let me make sure. Oh, cool. It's not. That's what I wanted. Oh, cool. I just didn't want it to work today. So wait, what? Why isn't it working? That's still working, but this isn't? Oh, because I didn't change the name. Because it's stupid. Root. Chest. Hat.jiggle. Okay. That should fix it. Right? Yeah, that fixes it. This is I.L, I guess. And this is root. So now if I join it to this, I should get this. Nope. Why? Because this is I.R? Yeah, it's I.R. I can change that. There, now it's a left eye. There we go. Problem solved. Alright, here's another thing I need to see because I think it's what's causing that weird flickering. Is alpha clip, not alpha hash. Alright, that should fix that, hopefully, I guess. Alright, one more check. That's working fine. This is not working fine. I don't know why that's not working. I signed it. Didn't I? Nope, I did assign it. I'm just stupid. Ugh, why the? Who the? Why the? How the? Oh, god damn it. I had that selected. Hat jiggle, assign. There we go. Now that's gonna work, right? What the? Oh. Something's still selected here. I didn't select that. Okay, hold on. This only has the hat selected. Only the hat. Only the hat. Right? No cameras, no nothing. Oh, wait, yes, cameras. Oh, they finally stopped making music. Look, I don't mind when they do that, but I'm trying to stream, and it's not helpful. All right, there we go. This has to be perfect. Good. All right, now to figure out how I'm going to do this. So the armature, need to remind it how it works. It's been a while because they changed this add-on so many times, I can't even begin to describe what the heck is going on. Okay. Binds. Mesh. Main body key. Blink R? Blink L? Blink R. I think it's blink L. No. Yeah, blink L. Hold on, let me see. Huh? Wait, there's blink and then there's blink L. Okay, so it's neither of those? The shape key isn't even named that. Face baked? Is that what it is? Yeah, there we go. Why did I call it face baked? It's a head. It does head things. Why did I call it face baked? That's so weird. Why would I do that? After seeing you work on this model, it's impressive you made this all from scratch. Thank you, I think. I think I made it all from scratch. Except for the hat. I stole that from TF2. I'm not I'm not. I don't care. TF2 said, this is for you. And I said, is for me? And then I took it. So, yeah. Okay, blink. I've made better models. This is quite literally the most impromptu model I've made. Because I actually made this really quickly, and that was before I was able to like just really quickly do stuff. So this will blink. This will blink. It's already blunk. Let's do that again. That'll blink. I like how they changed this, so now you can now you can do that. Okay, I'm gonna make it both the same freaking thing. Actually, maybe I should remove the one for that. That's probably a good idea because I don't really need it to be blinking twice because then it's going to look like a disc coming out. There we go. I simply just can't remember how I had this. All right, now to do the same exact thing for every one of these. So we're going to have to adjust the aperture, which I always thought this was clever. So let me show you. So the aperture function is actually just a cylinder that I twisted. I can't really show it very well, but it is a, if I isolate it? No, I can't isolate that? No, I can't isolate that. Okay, that's weird. As you can see, it's actually just a, you can kind of see, but it's a cylinder that I twisted. If I can select the loop, I'll show you. I don't know what's up with this. Why is it acting like it's a bunch of individual things? It's not. There we go. Nope, that just made it worse. Okay, well, you can kind of see how I... Let me just get a different example, actually. So let me make a cylinder. I thought this was clever. So let me make a cylinder. And then I will twist this so that this pinches in the middle. Just barely. But if you look through it, it looks like an aperture. Actually, it looks more like a butthole, but you get the idea. It looks like a moving aperture, especially if you scale it down so that it's flat enough to not notice the fact that it's a cylinder. But it looks like an aperture. And so what I did was I just kind of made it a blend shape so that when it moves, I don't know why it's not working anymore though. I think this was all triangulated because what I think I did was I exported it as a VRM and then I brought it back into Blender from the VRM, and then it when it exports it triangulates everything, and by that I mean it takes all these quads and it turns them into triangles like this, which may as well just keep it that way anyway because it's going to do that anyway. But yeah, it just took all the quads and turned them into triangles, and then what it probably does, something similar to, yeah, similar to the Source engine, it takes the sharp edges and just breaks them away from the model for some stupid reason. And so it makes it look absolutely ugly. But whatever. I'll live with it. Okay, what's next? So, okay, right. We need to put the mouth blend shapes. Now, you don't notice, but I actually do technically have a mouth blend shape set. It's the brain. It just kind of makes weird twitches every time I move my mouth. I think also when I blink, it blinks the lobes of the brain. It's so gross, but I love it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add these back into the armature settings. So we'll start with the mouth movements. So that's A. We take the brain, take the blend shape, that's A. Thank you. I don't think anyone would think to do that. Sorry, anime style models, but yours doesn't have a twitching mouth brain. Okay, what am I doing? Am I doing this right? No. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. I'm glad that they organized this a little bit better. But you can't really tell that it's doing anything. Is it actually doing anything? What is the brain? What is it calling the brain? No, this is part of the main body now. Uh, is this the brain? No? Okay, so this is wrong. I've been doing this wrong. Hold on. Select it. Just set it not to brain, but to main body. There we go. Now it should work, right? So, yeah. All right, that was my mistake. I don't know what brain it's referring to, but what happened to Prime? They got spooked. They got spooked. Xbox has no games. So I've been thinking of getting a 3D printer because I can afford one right now. I can like buy one right now on stream, and I might do that next week if I don't buy it already because I want to finish one more commission before I do anything else. But I could totally do that. And I may actually do that. Because I don't know what I could do with a 3D printer. I can think of some things, like making a little Carly statuette. I mean, every almost every hour of the day, I've been thinking of what I'm doing now and how a 3D printer could improve upon that. There's a lot of things. I can't, but there's nothing I can think of off the top of my head right now, which is a shame. All right, I think that's it. All right, now we have to do the really, 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 really hard part, and that's baking all of our procedural textures because actually, like the plastic, or as I've called it, the bumpy, smooth, beige, metallic plastic, is not an actual texture, which means I have to remember how to use the texture baking add-on, which I don't remember. Bacon node, that's what they call it. I wish Jim was in the chat right now because he would be able to just tell me how to do it. But no, he had to not be here right now. He just had to not be here, and I'm so sad. Okay, what is this? No, that does nothing. So this is complaining that I don't have a normal map texture, so that means I have to bake it. Great. Okay, okay, I gotta remember how to do this. So I do Control G to group it. Select this thing. I go to inputs. Why do I have 3 inputs? Oh, because it's all going to there. Okay. Hold on. I'm going to fix this with a reroute node. That way I can only... That way I'll only have to do this once and hopefully never again. There we go. So now I use the reroute node, deselect the reroute node, and then I group all these. So Control G to group. Then I'm going to move the normal down. And there we go. Now we have a more organized group node. And then what I do is I add an image texture node, I think. I have that next to it. And then I select the group node. And then what do I do? So I have that. I select it. I don't know where he is. He's probably asleep again. And I feel bad because I know he doesn't mean to sleep. And you know what I should do? Next stream, I'll have him on. We'll be in like the voice chat. That'd be fun. Okay, I don't want that much margin. And I would like you to be swift about it and use the GPU. There we go. And now we pray to God that this works right. Because it almost never does. Yeah, we do have very good chemistry. Yeah. I'm not much of a console guy, I'll be honest. Console just isn't my thing. Unless it's like really old, then it's classy. But nowadays, I don't see a reason to buy a console when they're just going to make a version of the game for PC anyway. And then even then, I don't really play all that many modern games. The closest to a modern game I've played in recent time is Overwatch 2, and I didn't enjoy it. I mean, I enjoyed it a little bit, but not like a lot. Okay. There we go. Now we've got an image texture. Now I gotta go to the image texture. What are they calling it? Head group? Rolls right off the tongue. Look at that. That's pretty good. I didn't expect this to work today. I'll be honest. Well, I'll just call it robot plastic. I want to explore the realm of getting old school Macs. I like, I do too. If I could afford it, I would buy my childhood computer, which was a Mac G3. It was an iMac G3. Uh, the transparent, the one that's in the Carly thing, because I really love that computer. And I got a lot of stories about that. I can tell you about the story about playing the Peanuts games on it, which I would love to do in emulation, but sadly I don't have I don't have a good emulator for it. I think you can run PowerPC Max in uh, OpenEMU, or not OpenEMU. No, in QEMU. Yes. I also wanted to get one of those eMachine ones. I would love to get an eMachine, put a Linux distro, and theme it only for Mac. Because I think there's a version of Linux called Pear OS, which is literally just KDE Neon with a Mac theme, which isn't bad. But when that was actually my true first distro, and it only lasted a day because I couldn't figure out how to get the NVIDIA drivers to install. I was new. Don't get mad at me. It was hard. There we go. All right, so this is the purple one. That's the purple one. Let it compile, and then we'll see what it looks like. Hooey! Ooh, ooh, that's not right looking, is it? What? What is this mapped as? UV, right? UV map. I, I'm happy with the stream since you have a robot model with a Mac theme going on. Is it a Mac theme? I thought it was more just like a camera head theme. It's junk theme. That's what it is. Which you will not call Mac junk because that's mean. What did I just do? I have no idea what I'm doing. Why does this look wrong? You know what? I don't care. I'm saving it. These are not very well UV unwrapped, and frankly, it's quite obvious. But I'm not too in the mood to be dealing with UVs tonight, so I don't care. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna map this to here, and frankly, I don't even think this needs a UV map. It does need the right texture, though, that's for sure. And this is certainly the right texture. Oh, that's not the right. Oh, that's not. Oh, that's not. I really hate this fucking UV map. Okay, which map am I on? What map? Well, that's even wronger. Yikes. Okay. We're gonna have to do that again because this is wrong. Not that it's gonna matter that much because that's not right though. What's your favorite Mac OS release? Mine will always be Mac OS 10 point, was it 10.5 Mavericks? I think it's 10.5 Mavericks. I do love Leopard, and I mean that's the version I have on. That's the one I grew up with on the G3 or whatever it was, the iMac. But it was never really one that I remembered because I think at first it was on OS 9 and then it was on the G3, which was fun. No, just completely unwrap everything. Probably not a great idea though. Ooh, I'm gonna ruin that hat. Ooh, I've ruined the hat. I've ruined it. Let me just select each material and unwrap one by one. It's probably a better idea. Thankfully, there's not a huge amount of these UV maps. Oh my goodness. Or not UV maps, but materials. At the same time, I really hate UV unwrapping. It's not my favorite thing to do. It's a lot. All right, gunmetal. We'll go with we'll change it up. We'll go with gunmetal next for the what's it called? To do next. But first I want to make sure that everything is unwrapped in its own way. Smart UV project. Gray matter stays the same. Goo stays the same. Glass is not exactly something that I can even change. Dark plastic is not even something that can be selected. Unless it's talking about this. Is this dark plastic? I don't know. The hat doesn't need to change at all. That's a good thing though. Easy metal, huh? Yeah, none of that. I think I changed it to tarnished brush metal, so we can do that. Hat is fine. Goggles should be fine, I think. And the black worn plastic should be fine. Yeah, okay. So we'll go through all these. All right, back to where we were. I'm gonna start with the gunmetal this time, and we'll work our way backwards. I'm gonna get rid of the bump map, which is gonna make it look very flat, but it's a toon shader, it doesn't matter. Oh, and then we're gonna add our reroute. Will you end up updating your KDE icon pack with Endeavor icons added? I I can't remember if I did. I think I already did though. With at least that specific one Endeavor OS icon, I think the one I have up here. and down here that you can't really see. Um, I thought I did anyway. Did I? I'd have to check, but I do want to add more. What happened to the texture of the eye? Uh-oh, what happened? I didn't even notice that. What? It's all black. Didn't change. Same texture. Same UV map. Crud. Why is it black? And now it's back. What the heck? Very much a bunch of annoyances. Did it? Okay, then I'll have to fix that. I'm sorry. I thought I had added the Endeavor icons. I'll have to change that. You know what? Next stream I'll do it on camera because I'm gonna forget, and then I'm gonna end up. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! I just remembered. I have to send a friend model texture. Hold on. I'm gonna do that now before I forget, and I'm gonna do it on stream just to show how incompetent I am. I made a modification for someone's shirt, and I made a new texture for it. It's not a shirt, it's a sweater, and I gave them a little bumblebee, a Minecraft bumblebee. I made that in SVG, in Inkscape. Let me send that to them right now before I forget. Do it on stream. There, I just did it. You don't get to see my private messages, but I did it. Give me my reward. Give me my reward right now. Okay, let's bake a node. Okay, why does it keep defaulting to my CPU? Is Blender even detecting my GPU right now? I don't get it. Okay, replace. Now, what are we using? We are not using text cord. We are using UV map. I think the only thing that's using text cord is the spy hat. I just head on hit a car so hard in game the radio shut off. You're a really good driver. Just reminding you about that. There we go. Okay. Now the screen's not working. What the hell? And this tech... No, it's still working. It's gonna freak out if that stopped working on me. The brain, however, is not. And that's angering me. Oh, wait a minute. Am I still on this? Yep. I do not find this amusing at all. Alright, that fixed that. But it didn't fix this. Did I pack the texture? Oh, I must have. No. It just won't render. Very weird. And annoying. Okay, now it's rendering, but it's rendering wrong. What? Wait, this is the correct texture coordinates? What? Looks like a smooth brain, damn it. Ugh, I can't believe this. I can never get this to be right. UV, smart UV project. Okay, so then what is the default texture? I don't, or the default coordinates? I don't know. Alright, I'm just gonna... Hold on, let me see. This looks right for gunmetal. Gunmetal looks right. So, I'm gonna go with it. And I'll go on to the next one. So, tarnished brushed metal is this. Add a reroute. Bake a node. I guess we'll use text chord. Replace. GPU exists, please notice. Let's see if this works. Baba! Shut up! I scared the shit out of that dog. Okay, I don't understand why this is, like, changing everything. What? Why is this black now? What did I do to make that black? All I did was change the gray. Now it's black? Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I forgot to save the texture. Oh, I'm so dumb. That's why it's black. That's completely the reason why it's black. Alright, I have to fix this again. Hold on. GP. Okay, let's try texture coordinate this time. See, I did the thing right. I did it all right, but I skipped one step, and that's where I messed up. And that's not a good thing. Okay. Did I do that right? I did not. Okay. That's good. Okay, so I need to use the UV map, GPU, cycles, replace. There we go. That really should do it this time. Okay, so UV is the right one to render from for everything except the screen and stuff like that. Okay. Okay, now we save this. File, save as. Why am I in my media folder? What? Okay. Yeah, sure. We'll save as black plastic. Okay. Now for this. We come back. We're going to fix this right up. Make a node. GPU, replace. UV map. Go. think I saved the right thing, right? Oh man, now I keep second guessing myself. I am so tired. I did that wrong. I did it wrong again. How do I keep screwing this up? I did that right, didn't I? Nope. Nope. I'm doing this so wrong. I'm really starting to piss myself off. Come on, do it right, do it right, do it right. Okay, GPU, replace node, UV map, bake. I know this is boring, I'm sorry. I thought this would have been done by now. I would have been, like, finished baking. But no, baking is not easy. They have to make it really freaking hard to do. There we go. Finally. Okay, now I save. Now I call it black plastic or whatever. It's interesting to watch my process. You mean the process of me failing over and over again because I'm so gosh darn tired? I hope it's interesting. I hope you're getting a laugh out of it because I keep making obvious mistakes. Okay. Get a little chuckle, a little giggle, a little hee hee ho ho, he made a little funny mistake. But then he fixed it, but he made a mistake. Oh hey, it's the streamer that streams. I don't know what you're talking about. You don't stream. I waste time. It's so weird why it's all like compressed together like that, but I'm not gonna question it. Metal. Metal. Metal PNG.png, yes. Okay. That ought to do it. The reason why it's not rendering it here, I hope to, dear God, that's because it just unloaded the texture. Yes, okay. There we go. We're getting somewhere. Yay! Yay! Didn't fuck up this time. All right, let's go back to our old nemesis, beige smooth, bumpy smooth beige metallic plastic, and we'll try this again. Replace GPU, UV map. Okay. Hi Ash, you missed me battling Blender and the Baconode add-on, which is a really great add-on, but it's so confusing on how to use. It's just, whew. Yeah, this model's going great, but then you realize this is just a placeholder till I actually get around to making my other model an actual model. Yeah, after losing a bunch of battles. Oh no. Why is it black? Why is it black? It's not black. You're black. God damn you, bumpy smooth beige metallic plastic. Why must you hate me so goddamn much? Oh, because I didn't... I did it again. I did it again. I am not winning today. I am not. I promise you I am not winning. Did it again. Forgot to unwrap the head as well. Now I gotta go back and do it again. Okay, let's see if that fixes it. How does that look? Okay, smart UV unwrap. It's a lot of overlap, but it shouldn't really. It really should not be a problem. Now, this is using texture coordinate. Texture coordinate, huh? I'm not fond of that. Around these parts, we use UV map. Get out of here with that texture chord map. He still needs claws and a tail. I'm telling you, Ash, I'll make you those parts. I'll do it. Just pop them out of my butt. And there you go. 3 parts. And yeah, Ash should do that. He should stream. He should be an actual VTuber. Like I've told him many times before. Alright, I'm going to finish up this last material. And then I'm going to call it a night because it's 10:46, almost 11 o'clock. And I'm looking behind me and I'm seeing my my dehumidifier over here. And it's a lot of water in there. So that means it's a really freaking humid night, and I don't like having my computer on during humid nights because that just means moisture in the cooling system, and I don't like that. I don't like that at all. I can be paranoid. You call me paranoid all you want. There we go. There we go. Save as. And robot plastic. Is it helping with your sleep cycle? Nothing helps with my sleep cycle. But it does make it more comfortable. And that's what matters. That I am comfortable. And yeah, it makes it easier to fall asleep. That's at least good, but it a lot less humidity. Helps with my computer. Helps with me being able to think. Should I do one more? I could. I should. I woulda, coulda, shoulda. That's a spooky brain. Look at that. Why does it look like that? I didn't do that. It's so weird how the bacon node add-on is really messing up all the textures right now, but it's fine. I'll group this. Wait. Unplug this. Unplug it. Now group it. Now on exit group. Reroute. Plug it into here. And plug it into the shade color. And there we go. And now we click that. We click that. Wait. Uh-oh. Why isn't it letting me bake a node? There we go. Okay, so this is orange plastic. There's only one instance on the body. GPU, replace, UV map. I think that's correct. We'll go ahead and do that. Do this last texture. I'm gonna save, and then we'll come back to it maybe next week, and then I'll also work on whatever I had planned. I had just said that I can't remember. I'll be just a second. All right, I'm gonna call it a night now. So Prime can do his stream, and I can sleep. Why does he have blackface again? I don't know. I didn't do that. I just fixed it. You can't unfix that. Please don't. All right. I'm gonna call it a night. Let me quickly save the stupid texture, and then we'll go. Save. Orange plastic. Thank you, 8-bit. I appreciate you watching. And I hope to see you again next stream. You're welcome. 8 unsaved images? Okay. Anyway,